Maps. A map is a symbolic representation of selected characteristics of a place, usually drawn on a flat surface. Maps present information about the world in a simple visual way. They teach about the world by showing sizes and shapes of countries, locations, of features, and distances between places. This is a map of a place. This is the map of the country or the world. Why should we use maps? Maps are useful as they are easy to carry. They show a particular district, state, country, or the whole world, which a globe cannot show. Maps simplify complicated information. Some maps show boundaries of state and country, such as political maps. Some show where is rainforest or desert, such as thematic map. Some show physical divisions, such as mountain, etc. Political map. Political maps are also known as reference map. They are among the most widely used reference map. They are mounted on the walls of classrooms throughout the world. They show the geographic boundaries between governmental units such as countries, states, and continents. Political maps help people understand the geography of the world. They are usually the first type of map that students are introduced to in school. This is a political map of India. It is showing the boundaries, uh, the international boundaries, the state boundaries. Thematic map. A thematic map is a type of map specifically designed to show a particular theme connected with a specific geographic area, such as temperature variation, rainfall distribution, or population density. This is a thematic map. Physical map. A physical map of a chromosome or a genome that shows the physical location of genes and other DNA sequences of interest. Physical maps are used to help scientists identify and isolate genes by positional cloning. Physical maps are designed to show the natural landscape features of the Earth. They are best known for showing topography, either by colors or as shaded relief. Physical maps often have a green to brown to gray color scheme for showing the elevation of the land. Darker greens are used for near sea level elevations, with the color grading into tans and browns as elevations increase. The color gradient often terminates in shades of gray for the highest elevations. Rivers, lakes, seas, and oceans are usually shown in blue. This is a physical map of India. The blue lines which are flowing are the rivers. The purple part shows the snow line. In the dark brown and the light brown, it shows that the snow line is decreasing. The green are the plains. The purple is the plateau. Components of map. Directions. Second type, distance. Third type, symbol. Distance. The scale of a map is the ratio of a distance on the map to the corresponding distance on the ground. This simple concept is complicated by the curvature of the Earth's surface, which forces scale to vary across a map. The distance between your school and your home is 10 km. If you show this 10 km distance by 2 cm on a map, it means 1 centimeter on the map will show 5 km on the ground. The scale of your drawing will be 1 centimeter is to 5 km. It can also be shown as 1 is to 5 lakh or on table. Types of scale. Verbal scale. The scale in which distance and ground are expressed as words or in table with units is called verbal scale. This is expressed as words. This is expressed on a table. Ratio scale. The scale in which map distance is expressed as ratio or fraction is known as ratio scale. Symbol of ratio is this. It can be represented as 1 is to 5 lakh. 1 centimeter, 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter and 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. So we will multiply 100 into 1000 into 5. Then we got 5 lakhs. And both the units are same. Small and large scale map. Large scale maps give information of a smaller area than a small scale map. In a large scale map, a measurement of 5 centimeters shows only 500 meters of the Earth's surface, whereas in a small scale map, a measurement of 5 centimeters shows only 100 kilometers of the Earth's surface. A map of a town, village, or school is a large scale, and a map of a country, continent, or world is a small scale map. Large scale map can show streets, residential areas, parks, hospitals, etc. Whereas small scale map can show distances between towns, villages, and the extent of countries. In easy language, large scale maps show the area which are in small, and the small scale map shows the distances which are bigger in sizes. Direction. Most maps contain an arrow marked with the letter N at the upper right hand corner. This arrow shows the northern direction. It is called the north line. Cardinal numbers: north, east, west, and south. Intermediate number: northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. Symbols. It is not possible to draw on a map the actual shape and size of different features such as buildings, bridges, railway lines. So they are shown by using certain letters, shapes, colors, pictures, and lines, even if you don't know the language of an area and therefore cannot ask someone for direction. You can collect information from maps with the help of these symbols. These type of symbols are called conventional symbol. Conventional symbols are used all over the world. Some types of conventional signs. Sketch. A drawing mainly based on memory and spot observation. They are not drawn to scale. Approximate measurements are used. Example, a drawing showing a route to a venue at the back of wedding car. Plan. A drawing of a very small area. They are drawn on a large scale. Absolute measurements are shown. Example, plan of a house or the picture which is behind the text. Thank you.